Hello and welcome to this course. My name is Ikram. This series of tutorials are extracts from my Udemy course entitled AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner from Scratch. So that means here on YouTube, I'll show you some of the extracts from my Udemy course. And if you are interested in this course, then I recommend checking out my full course on Udemy. You can find the link to the course with a special discount in the description. So you pay only $12.99 instead of the full price. So let's discuss this course in more detail. First of all, who is this course for? Well, if you are someone who would like to take the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam and pass it on your first try, then this course is for you. Or if you would like to learn the fundamentals of AWS, then you can still benefit from this course. About the course prerequisites, there are no prerequisites. So this is a course for complete AWS beginners. But if you have basic IT background like in web or mobile development, it will be useful, but it's not necessary. So again, if you don't have AWS or IT background, don't worry. Let's discuss in more detail what you will learn in this course. Well, this course on Udemy has more than 14 hours of quality video tutorials, which include theory and practice relating to AWS. And at the end of each section, there are some quizzes that can help you assess your acquired knowledge. Also, there are 2 full-length practice exams, and each exam contains 65 questions, which should be completed in 90 minutes. You need to get 70% correct to pass the practice exam. Once you finish the exam, you will be provided with your score, a detailed explanation for each question, and reference links. So these practice exams are really good to check whether you are ready to take the actual AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. And there is an additional quiz with 55 questions, which can also help you prepare for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam, and much more. However, on YouTube, you can find only about 4 hours of this course. So again, if you are interested in this course, you can check out the full course on Udemy. You can find a link to the course with a special discount in the description. So enjoy the preview videos, and I will see you in the next video.